In July of 2024, Google will be deleting and removing all of your historical data from GA3, also known as Universal Analytics. We didn't want to see this happen to our clients and for our own site, so we made a tool that we call the UA Extract tool that will extract and export all of your UA data into a very nice and easy to use Looker Studio report. With this report, you can see the general site stats, user behavior, geography, things like that, device and browser data, all of your content data, what's worked well in the past, events and goals, all exported into a Looker Studio report so you can sort by a specific time frame and still compare against those metrics that you had in the past with your new GA4 data. This is something that it should be critically important, hopefully, to you and able to help you make decisions about forecasting what's coming next, comparisons, and we've got this down to a science here where we can export and get you a Looker Studio so that you can take your data and save it forever.